Want to level up your kitchen without spending a fortune? These clever Amazon finds are all under $15 and packed with ways to save time, cut clutter, and make cooking a breeze. From prep to cleanup, they'll keep your kitchen running smoothly on a budget. All the links are waiting for you in the description. Why settle for soggy boiled veggies when you can keep all the flavor and nutrients? This folding steamer basket turns almost any pot into a healthy cooking station. Just expand the pedals, load it up, and let the steam work its magic. The heat-resistant feet keep food above the water, while the extendable handle makes it safe to lift out. It even folds down flat for easy storage when you're done. Snacks going stale before you finish them? Not anymore. This handy 2-in-1 gadget seals bags airtight in seconds, locking in freshness for chips, cookies, and more. Flip it around, and the built-in cutter gives you a clean, easy bag opening every time. It's battery-powered, so you can use it anywhere: kitchen, picnic, or travel. Small, portable, and perfect for keeping your treats fresh and crisp. Peeling veggies doesn't have to leave a mess behind. This smart peeler shaves carrots, apples, and more, while catching every peel in its built-in container. No more skins on the counter or floor. The stainless steel blade glides smoothly, and the comfortable handle keeps your hand from tiring. You can even slice veggies into strips for fresh salads. Peel, store, and keep your kitchen tidy all at once. Serving cake just got easier. This clever cutter slices, lifts, and serves in one smooth motion. No extra spatula needed. The adjustable design lets you cut perfect, even slices no matter the cake size. Double handles give you a steady grip, so every piece comes out neat without straining your hands. Made from stainless steel and dishwasher safe, it's perfect for birthdays, weddings, or simply enjoying dessert at home. Ever seen a golden egg without cracking the shell? This clever egg spinner mixes yolk and white perfectly while keeping the shell intact. Just pop the egg in, give the rope a quick pull, and let inertia do the work. No mess, no fuss, just evenly blended eggs ready for boiling. It's portable, easy to use, and perfect for home cooking, picnics, or travel. Morning rush? This compact coffee maker has you covered. Brew a single cup from your favorite grounds or pop in a pod. Either way, you get rich flavor fast. One-touch operation means your coffee or tea is ready in minutes, and the quiet brewing keeps things peaceful. It's small enough for any countertop and even shuts off automatically to save energy. Fresh, hot, and hassle-free every time. Peeling fruit doesn't have to be a chore. This foldable peeler makes quick work of apples, pears, kiwis, and more with its smooth rotating blade. The ergonomic handle gives you a steady grip, while the stainless steel edge glides through even tougher skins. It's lightweight, space-saving, and perfect for home or travel. Cleanup takes seconds. Just rinse or pop it in the dishwasher. Flat soda ruining the fun. This handy dispenser keeps your favorite fizzy drinks bubbly and easy to pour. Just attach it to the bottle, flip it over, and press the lever for a smooth, mess-free flow. Perfect for parties, picnics, or everyday use. It's reusable, easy to clean, and made from food-grade plastic. Your cola stays fresh, and every glass pours like the first sip. Fresh lime juice without the struggle? This fold-flat juicer makes it effortless. Its slim design tucks neatly into any drawer, but unfolds to give you powerful two-handed leverage for maximum squeeze. Perfectly sized for limes, it gets every drop without wasting a bit. Made from safe, durable materials, it's dishwasher-friendly and built to last. Compact, clever, and ready whenever you need a citrus kick. Real quick, before you buy your next Amazon gadget and waste hundreds of dollars, I've put together a secret Amazon cheat sheet that shows you how to save up to 80% on every order, and it's completely free. These are the tricks most shoppers don't know about, and Amazon will hate you for knowing them. Get your free guide. Links in the description. Messy batter? Not anymore. This Cupcake Scoop lets you portion perfectly every time with a simple one-click release. Just scoop, press, and watch the batter slide cleanly into the tin. No drips, no fuss. It's made from durable, food-safe materials and cleans up in seconds. Great for cupcakes, muffins, pancakes, and more. It keeps your kitchen tidy and your baking game on point. Chop, slice, and puree without being tied to an outlet. This cordless food processor runs on a rechargeable battery, giving you the freedom to prep anywhere. Just press one button and its powerful motor tackles onions, garlic, spices, and even baby food in seconds. The safety lock keeps little hands safe, and cleanup is a breeze. Most parts are dishwasher friendly. Compact, portable, and ready for any kitchen task. Your last glass doesn't have to be your last good sip. These vacuum wine stoppers lock in flavor by removing air from the bottle, keeping wine fresh for weeks instead of days. The seal is tight and leak-proof, so you can store bottles sideways without worry. Made from food-grade materials, they're safe, durable, and reusable. Perfect for wine nights, celebrations, or just savoring a bottle at your own pace. Turn any fruit platter into a work of art. This 4-in-1 tool scoops perfect melon balls, carves fun shapes, and neatly lifts fruit from the rind. 2 different scoop sizes give you options for presentation, while the stainless steel blades handle the job with ease. The stackable design keeps all pieces together, saving space in your kitchen. Ideal for fruit salads, party trays, or just making everyday snacks more fun. Small fruit cores don't stand a chance. This quick press corer pops them out in seconds, whether you're working with red dates, cherries, pears, or jujubes. The syringe-style design keeps your hands comfortable while minimizing waste. Made from sturdy stainless steel and durable PP, it's built to last through countless kitchen sessions. Perfect for speeding up prep while keeping every piece of fruit looking neat and ready to serve. Making meatballs just got way easier. This triple scoop tool shapes 2 or 3 perfect balls at a time, cutting your prep work in half. The long handle keeps your hands comfortable while giving you control over each scoop. Made from sturdy stainless steel, it handles meat, cookie dough, rice, or even sorbet with ease. Great for batch cooking, parties, or just speeding up dinner prep. Freshly grated toppings are seconds away. This handheld rotary grater lets you shred cheese, chocolate, or nuts with just a few turns of the handle. The crank design works for both right and left-handed cooks, and the non-slip knob keeps it steady. It's easy to take apart for cleaning and folds down for compact storage. Perfect for adding that fresh, restaurant-style touch to your meals at home. Pouring heavy bottles doesn't have to be a workout. This handy grip attaches to your beverage or oil jug, giving you a firm, non-slip hold. The ergonomic handle makes lifting easier, while its smart design controls the flow so you pour smoothly without spills. Made from durable materials, it's built to last through daily use. Great for parties, family dinners, or just making everyday pouring effortless. Season your food with precision, not guesswork. These push-button shakers release the exact amount you need every time, helping you control your salt and spice intake. The sealed, dust-proof lid keeps contents fresh and dry, even in humid kitchens. Easy to fill, easy to clean, and large enough to reduce constant refills. Perfect for salt, pepper, sugar, or your favorite spices at home or on the go. Stubborn jar lids don't stand a chance. This under cabinet opener grips tight and twists them off with minimal effort. Perfect for anyone with weak hands, arthritis, or just tired wrists. It works one-handed, so you can multitask while opening. The discreet design stays out of sight, but is always ready when you need it. A small addition to your kitchen that makes a big difference in daily life. Scrubbing pots doesn't have to be the worst part of cooking. This disposable pot brush powers through tough, stuck-on residue in seconds, leaving cookware spotless without the endless scrubbing. Each brush is fresh and hygienic. Just use it and toss it away, no buildup or bacteria. Perfect for busy days when you want fast results. Spend less time at the sink and more time enjoying your meals. Turn your sink into a multitasking station. This hose sprayer with extension tubes lets you direct water exactly where you need it, making washing dishes, rinsing veggies, or cleaning the sink a breeze. The spray head has a built-in filter for cleaner water, and the replaceable design keeps it fresh over time. Easy to attach and adjust, it adds convenience and flexibility to your daily kitchen routine. Keep your counters clean and your utensils within reach. These anti-scald spoon rests clip right onto the edge of your pot, holding spoons, spatulas, or ladles without making a mess. The stainless steel and rubber design is heat-resistant, non-slip, and built to last. Lightweight and portable, they're handy for both home cooking and professional kitchens. A simple tool that makes cooking tidier and more efficient. One board, 4 clever functions. This double-sided cutting board uses pure titanium on one side for meat and a wheat straw surface on the other for fruits and veggies. A built-in sharpener keeps your knives ready, while the garlic grinding area saves you an extra step in meal prep. Non-slip corners and a juice groove make chopping neat and safe. A handy 2-in-1 kitchen gadget, this Ming Chong peeler doubles as a knife sharpener. Its stainless steel swivel blade makes quick work of fruit and vegetable skins, while the built-in tungsten steel and ceramic sharpener restores knife edges in seconds. Compact, portable, and perfect for both home and professional kitchens, it's a space-saving tool that peels, sharpens, and stores with ease. Skip the sink and let this mini washer do the work. Using ultrasonic cleaning, it removes stains and odors without harsh scrubbing. Just add water, press a button, and fabrics come out fresh in minutes. Gentle enough for underwear, baby clothes, or delicate silks, yet strong enough for everyday socks. Lightweight and cordless, it's the travel-friendly way to keep laundry fresh anywhere,